Everyone, welcome back to Young's Garden. Thank you for tuning in. Today I would like to make a video on how to arrange your flowers. And this can be for any occasions, holiday, birthdays. You can make this into gifts if you like. And this is a really fun way to get together and arrange flowers, whether it can be, for centerpiece or bouquets. And this is so much fun if you have in groups or just get together and just arrange flowers and just make it into gifts. And here I got some foams. Here you have to dunk it into water. It can be 24 hours or just a few hours. Here I didn't have enough time, and this is my first time using this foam, water absorbent foam. So you have to use that for your flowers. It soaks in all the water and it will hold the water in, so your flowers, once you kind of poke it through or let it sit into these sponge, it will keep it healthy and hydrated. So I do admit this is my first time using this hydrated absorb sponge. I actually don't know the name for it, but I did find it on Amazon. Here I'm just cutting off some flowers. I'm using all my flowers from my garden, and I will put the name of this flower on the screen. So I'm trying to get all these fillers and the flowers that I need for my arrangement, for my centerpiece. And of course you want to get a bucket or bottle with you just to hydrate these flowers before you arrange them. Here are some of my dahlia that I grew from tubers. They are so easy to grow. And you can find the tubers anywhere, Home Depot, Lowe's, online. And here I'm just cutting off some of the zinnia that I grew from seed. This is my backyard looking towards my back house, part of my back house. And this is my flower bed where I have my dahlia, sunflower, zinnia, all from seed and tubers. And you basically just remove the extra leaves. And that's basically what you usually do. That's how I usually do things. I just cut elbow length, just probably 10 inches from my elbow to my hand. I really don't measure them. And here are some David Austin roses. And here are some of my flowers I gather from my garden. Looks like it's not enough flowers, so I'm gonna go to my front yard and see if I can find some hydrangeas. And as you know, hydrangeas are the biggest flower that can fill up big space when it comes to arrangement, flower arrangement. So it's a good idea to get some flowers that kind of fill up a lot of space, and hydrangeas are the nicest size to use. And here I also have some flowers for fillers. I use it for fillers. I kind of don't remember the name of this. I have it everywhere in the back of my yard. If you know the name, please comment below. You can use some of these. So here I'm just kind of squeezing the hydrangeas in between the sponges, the foam. So like I said, this is my first time using these absorbing foam. It holds a lot of water and it keeps your flower hydrated. I also put water underneath too, just because I don't trust myself. I've done arrangement before, but not using the foam, and these foams can also help your flowers hold water, hydrate water, and it also keeps it in place. So this is, like I said, my first time using it and I love it. It works really well. And the wire seems to hold it in place. I didn't show you before, but I did use a wire to poke it through the foams, the water absorbent foam, and I kind of hold it together and place it down instead of putting the foam on top of the wire, which didn't work and it fell. So I kind of put the wire through the foam and hook it to the side, both sides, so it will hold. So here I am, I'm using hydrangeas. I put it in first as because it takes up a lot of space and it fills up really fast. So I use hydrangeas first. Looks like I kind of put like in between the flowers, but I learned that using hydrangeas first, you will fill up a lot of space, and then the space that you have left, it's best to kind of start to put the flowers in between. I did the hard way, but again, I haven't done arrangement for a while. I'm just doing this video for fun, and I learn from my mistakes too, and you will too. While watching this video, you can always give me tips, comment below. Like I said, I'm learning as I go, and I'm just filling up the space. It doesn't have to be all rounded, all perfect. I mean, it can be like sideways and popping out, but just kind of make it to where, it can be balanced, if you will. Once it looks balanced, you can always like adjust it while you go, cut it. Here I am just kind of eyeballing it, and looks like my silver dollar looks too much. Sometimes it can be overwhelming using fillers, and so I have to remove them because I notice the more flour you have, the better. You sometimes don't really need to use fillers like leaves and stuff like that. It looks actually more elegant, more expensive when you have lots of flowers. I do have some fillers, silver dollar, added in to my bouquet. To my centerpiece arrangement. But again, I do have other fillers like small flowers in there popping out, such as purslane, calandrenias, zinnias, anything that's purple or green. You can just kind of stuff it in between for fillers, but again, not so much to where it kind of overwhelms the centerpiece. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been a great experience for me. I haven't done this for a while, and I'm glad it turned out the way it is. It's not that hard. Just don't think too much of it. Do this with your friends and family. It will be a life-changing experience, and you will have people turning their heads and will shock them. Always have fun with it. Don't stress out when you do this. This can be therapeutic, if you will. Have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.